everybody.
Hi,
I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie.
And we're Sisters in Stitches. And this is a very, very special video for us. We are doing a collaboration with 3 other channels, and which will post all of their links to their channels and to this video underneath. So it is between 4 channels, right?
Yes, us and 3 others.
Right. So the first one is Kayla's Closet, and before we get started, you like her channel too.
Yeah, you know what? When I watch her, she's so much like us. She's just real. She's down to earth. You love her cute little dimples. You love all her, she wears a great statement piece of jewelry in almost every video. So you're really drawn to her jewelry.
And she's a leopard girl, so she's like
got
a
lot of
sister.
Same likes, like Cindy and her have the same likes and different things. So if you're looking for another channel to pick up, she's got a great little channel there, and she's really, really fun to watch.
So what we all did is we all sent boxes, like a mystery box, to each other that we're going to open up. So we have no idea. We got our box from Melissa Unboxing Mom. And she is a mom of 3 girls. And
Oh, just like Cindy.
Yeah, well, I have
Cindy
4.
had 4,
But she's looks very busy, and she unboxes every box under the sun. I mean, I go to her channel all the time because I like to see the new boxes that I don't see very many people opening. And and even the boxes that like Debbie and I are considering, I'll go and she'll have an unboxing of it, and then I can kind of determine. Yeah, and then the other one is Georgia Sunshine. Many of you might be subscribers to her already, but
I feel a connection to her because she's a hockey mom, and so was I.
Yes, and about 1.5 years ago, when I started watching all of the YouTube unboxings, I don't know, I was just feeling really low in my life, and I came across her channel, and she just was so warm and so loving and so inviting that I went and I binged watched all of her to the point where I felt like I knew her as part of my family. She's always positive, she's always laughing, she's always smiling. She's a good-hearted person, and her
kind of the
channel,
opposite of us.
well, she doesn't have a sidekick like we do. So, but anyway, you need to check out her channel, and I'm going to put everybody's link down, and then I'm going to put in a playlist all of our unboxings. So if you want to see what we sent to Georgia Sunshine. So if you want to see what we sent her, go click on the link for her video. And Melissa Unboxing Mom sent us a box. So that's what we're going to open right now. So all I did was cut the tape. So I have no idea what's inside.
So it's very colorful. Ooh. Which is always fun.
And we had
Ooh,
$1
smell
limit.
Something. Something smells very good in it.
All right, what do we got?
Open this green one first. Go ahead.
Okay. Ah, look. A little plaque. Make it the best day ever.
Oh, that'll go in my new room. Black, gray, and yellow. So that's staying with me.
All right.
You can have the next thing, whatever it is.
All right.
Sponge out. Oh, I have one of these. These are awesome. You guys, they last forever. And they smell so good.
Let me smell it.
You're going to like this. I have one.
Oh,
I have one
that
already,
smells
so you're gonna
great.
love
Thank
this.
you, Melissa. That's my
great.
present.
That's your present.
No, wait. Let me pick out a one for you.
This is so much fun.
Okay, here you go. That's yours.
Okay.
Well, looks like travel size for our vacation.
Ritual Botanical. It looks like an oil with some infused oil.
Oh my gosh. And you know what? I can smell
and massage oil.
A
bummer. I don't have anyone to massage me anymore.
Yes, she will. She will in Scotland.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, when my bro on the beach.
You can smell these. These smell wonderful. Okay, what's mine?
The whole box smells.
All right, let's see.
Ooh.
Look at eye masks. So we've got 2 under eye gels and 2. I don't have any of these.
Did it say antioxidant?
Antioxidant face mask. Yeah.
Wow, you're a face mask girl.
Woo! You know what? Here, I'll give you one face mask and one eye gel, and I'll take one face mask.
Thank
and one
you.
Eye gel. You're welcome.
Now these, I don't.
No, I get to pick out yours.
You
Put it down.
kind of feeling like.
Put it down. Here's a green one.
You keep picking all the little ones for me. Okay, these are really cool. Cindy, you'll have to wear these because I don't wear sunglasses because I have mine turn into sunglasses. Oh, those are fun. They're really big. All right, I'm picking the next thing. Okay. All right, the next thing.
So
Ginger spice and grapefruit, lotus and winter jasmine. Ooh, that smells good.
Debbie's like a soap whore. I'm not kidding you.
And then
this
Yippee and
smells
Company
wonderful.
Goddess bubbling bath salts. I take a bath every night. That's the only way I can relax to go to bed.
Oh, this smells great.
That is so cool. This box
Darn
is
it.
so fun. Why don't we get boxes like this when we order boxes?
Okay, is this mine?
Yeah.
Ceramic stainless steel
Oh,
teapot.
fun. You drink tea every day at work.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's
Oh,
so
look
cute.
at how pretty it is.
So cute.
Thank you, Melissa. This is going to work with me. Oh,
All
this
right.
is so fun.
All right. This is a little cute little box. I like boxes, so I'll keep the box. More soap. Yay.
You know, I split up my masks.
Ooh,
I'm
this is a
just saying.
peppermint. You can smell it. It doesn't say olive oil filter.
Show them.
It's
They can't see it down
San Benito soapworks.com. They're just little soaps.
there. Well, and then there's like a bath tea.
And then there's a natural shampoo.
a shampoo.
Yeah. That's what it says. Natural shampoo.
Huh.
And then to relax, a bath tea. I love these bath tea bags. I've gotten a few of those in our box. I hit the jackpot!
Show them the box first.
Look what was underneath all the soap. Cindy didn't pick wisely. Okay, little red earrings. Those are fun.
Ah.
With my longer hair, I'm finding I need longer. Oh, a little black bracelet. Ooh, Cindy. Cindy's the jewelry queen.
I see something that I'm taking.
This is my box, my friend.
Do you want Chicago Cubs
Oh,
earrings? No. Chicago Cubs
Cindy's
earrings.
a huge Cub fan.
Thank
Look at
you,
this
Melissa.
cute bow ring. How fun is that?
Oh,
That would be really
Why
fun.
didn't I take the box?
And this bracelet is cute too.
It is. But I love my little Cubs earrings. Go
And then
Cubs, go.
there's a little feather necklace. That would be good on the right sweater. See it? It's very cute. I could put that on right now, actually.
This box would probably go for like 60, 70 bucks.
Yeah, I mean, if we got boxes like this, we wouldn't have to complain on the air.
Ooh,
This
more.
is a Morph highlighter, which is awesome. And then a model company, a trio of eyeshadows.
Melissa, you outdid yourself.
Wow.
This is awesome.
But there's still more in the box.
Okay.
All right, here. You're going to want this. Look.
Chicago Cubs little bat.
Cindy's been a Cubs fan
awesome.
since she was like 7 or 8 years old. Her and my grandmother Cindy would know the lineup every year, like every guy's stats. She
As
would
a
memorize
7 or
it and stuff.
8-year-old,
She was
yeah.
like crazy.
Can I give you something now?
Yeah. I'm going to go this one instead. What is this?
Oh, it looks like a placemat or something you put on your counter, or oh, maybe it's a pillow. No, you know what I think it is? I think it's a pillow cover. There's got to be.
How
Isn't
do you?
it? Yeah, there's a zipper right there.
Awesome.
And her room's black.
My bedroom is black and white and gray with accents of yellow. I'm taking this.
All right, then I
This
get
is
to
awesome.
pick. Let's see. All right. Oh wait, I'll just take
Take
these
both of
scarves. This is very pretty and feminine.
That's so spring and summer too. You can wear that a lot in the spring and summer.
And she gave me two. So one is pink and brown. Melissa, you're awesome.
All right, there's a few more things in here. Oh, fun. A cute pen and paper. Cindy is the paper queen, so I will give her the pen and paper because she likes notepads and pens.
Thank you.
And this is a little, a really heavy duty
Canvas
bag. I could use this when we go on our trip, but I'll let you have what's in it.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
No, it's the chain for that.
Oh.
What am I going to
thought
do
it
with
was-
this? You going to wear it as a belt? Why? Oh, you can have what's inside. This is what she gave me, you guys. Where is it? She gave me the chain to the bag. I got the last two items, so we have another bar of soap
You did not get the last two items, liar.
and a bath bomb. Ha ha.
I also got a bath bomb that she didn't see in there.
Damn
Ha-ha.
it.
And it looks like there's a little note in here.
Oh, let's see what she said.
Did we do that?
Yeah, kind of.
Oh.
Okay.
It says, Debbie and Cindy, it's nice to meet you. Thank you for doing this. It was fun. I hope you guys like everything. Melissa, Unboxing Mom. Melissa, you did a great job. It was so fun. I wish we could get boxes like this.
Yeah,
we
no
would
kidding.
really, really not be crabbing on the air.
So,
Those glasses are so fun. You've got to bring those on vacation with us. I think they would be really fun in pictures.
just walk around like I'm
Well, big glasses are in right now anyway.
So what I'm going to do, you guys have got to go check out their channels. Check out the links to see what we gave Georgia Sunshine. I think Kayla was sending a box to Melissa and Georgia Sunshine was sending a box to Kayla. So we all had to spend like the same amount of money. And thank you, Melissa.
Yeah, I think you spent more than you were supposed to, but that's okay. We appreciate it.
All right.
All right. Well,
with
thank you so
that-
much. And you guys, seriously, go check out her channel, Melissa Unboxing Mom. Anytime you want to see a new box, go through all her videos and
She
you'll
even
find a
does
box
bark
that you like.
boxes with her dogs. You know? And yeah, Georgia Sunshine, she does a lot of, she does some live shows where you can, get intimate and personal with her. She does, like, she'll go to lunch and eat in her car and do a video and just talk about stuff. She does clothing unboxing. She does beauty unboxing. She does lifestyle.
She started doing some of just about herself, letting people ask questions and stuff, which we had talked about previously.
Yeah,
too,
we got to do that.
But anyway,
And she cooks too. You can do cooking with her.
Yeah, and then Kayla's Closet. If you like our videos, you'll like Kayla's videos. They're very much
very
similar. The way she responds and the way she talks is kind of just like we do, just real, honest.
So hit our subscribe
pretense.
button if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed to us.
Yeah, we're trying to get to 1,000 viewers by Easter because we want to do our when we get to 1,000, we are going to do a giveaway, and we wanted to do an Easter giveaway, but we're only at about 800, so Easter's coming faster than our subscribers are
That's
pushing
all
those
right.
buttons. So push the button.
And push the buttons for Kayla and Melissa, and her name's
Georgia.
Christy at Georgia Sunshine, but
Yeah.
her channel's Georgia Sunshine. So thank you all for watching, and we are going to have some fun with our products. So
Thank you.
thanks, Melissa.
Bye.
Love you guys. Bye.